Well, this model kit reviews of the Mercury capsule with the Atlas booster rocket, and here's a picture of the finished model. And it's a very unusual scale, 110. I guess that's just because of the size. And it's by Atlantis. It's got some nice box art. Clearly looks like an older mold. And that's the model there. So you get not just the booster but also the launch area for a nice little diorama. There's another picture of it. And let's have a look here at the side. We've got some decals there and colors needed there, and there are the dimensions. And we've also got some details here about the Mercury capsule with John Glenn. So let's have a look inside. Okay, so we are going to start off with this one here, the sprue. Looks like we've got a lot of little parts here. Looks like one of our tanker trucks there. Lots of support structures and railings, a couple of fire extinguishers there. Here's another little truck there, and I don't really know what most of these parts are. I guess all just scaffolding and supporting structures. Molding quality is okay. As I said, these are older molds, so we've got some flashing in various places there. But that should be easy to fix. So over here we've got more and more and more, many more railings, guardrails and so on. We've got wheels. These must be for our trucks there. We've got a whole bunch of stairs. Here is the rocket. It's actually kind of small. And there's our capsule with some surface detail on there. Some more stairs. There's our little seat. And more wheels. Over here we have got our launch platform with lots of parts to it. I don't really know what most of these are. Here we've got more parts also for the launch platform, but all fairly nicely detailed with some surface detail here and surface detail there. And the last sprue also for the launch platform, some nice surface detail. Let's have a look at our instructions and decals. Here are the decals. United States, lots of danger and keep clear. These are actually very nicely printed and made by Atlantis. Okay, so here is the instruction manual, and we've got some details here about the rockets. Here are the colors needed and the codes. We've got our parts listing here. I guess it tells you here what all different parts are being used for, A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to build that little truck first. And tankers. We've got some equipment being built. We're starting out here with our railings. all going together. As before, alongside of here's the ramp that goes up, and more parts for the launch platform. Lots and lots of little pieces. Looks like it's going to make a fairly detailed platform there. And then, well, there are the stairs, and finally all those guard railings going up. Another little, shed type thing here. And then this was the deflection cavity that would help to deflect the rocket propulsion downwards or to the down and to the side. And then let's look and see what those are for. All these little pieces going on there. Extra detail. Now finally we get to the rocket here, and shows you the decals going on. Here's our actual rocket engine boosters. Here's the capsule. Do a little pilot figure there, and then finally putting all those pieces together. So that's actually quite a nice little model kit. Has like a little diorama area to go along with it, and some nice decals.